Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch off and removing straps so nothing obstructs the case. Once done, place the watch on an ESD mat and inspect seam lines. This tells you where to pry. Use a precision screwdriver to remove visible screws, keep them labeled. Next, employ a plastic spudger to gently separate the back cover, prying at the designated notch. Be deliberate. Quick force can crack the display assembly. Make sure to record each step, so reassembly stays straightforward. With the back removed, you'll see battery and flex cable routes. Photograph everything to map cables. Next, disconnect the display ribbon by flipping its tiny latch or sliding the connector. Do not yank. Once disconnected, gently heat the perimeter with a low heat gun to soften adhesive, and then work a spudger under one edge to separate the display. Move slowly around the bezel, applying even pressure. This avoids cracking the OLED or LCD. If a battery blocks access, remove it first after disconnecting its connector. Once the display is free, lift it straight out and clean old adhesive from the frame and new panel. Align the replacement without adhesive first to ensure connectors match. Then apply new adhesive strips and seat the display evenly. Reconnect the ribbon cable, secure latches, reinsert screws, and power on. If the screen is blank or flickers, make sure the connector is fully seated, inspect the flex for kinks, and test continuity with a multimeter. If persistent, recheck soldered joints or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.